Wildlife Photographer of the Year People's Choice Award 2020 shortlist reviewed. A coconut octopus, a burning forest, a rare rhino's last moment, and a pair of sleeping squirrels all featured in the shortlist for the Natural History Museum Wildlife Photographer of the Year 2020 People's Choice Award. Shortlisted from more than 49,000 entries from around the world, the 25 images released Tuesday show creatures photographed in destinations including oceans, rivers, forest, captivity, shrubland, and even suburbia. Organizers are asking the public to vote for the winning image, which will be announced in February 2021 and showcased in the Wildlife Photographer of the Year exhibition at London's Natural History Museum until July 2021. Creatures range from teeny to huge, from two squirrels snuggling in a nest of foliage in the Scottish Highland to a buckensis roaming at high altitude and a huge line presiding over a stormy slab of granite. Many of the images also explore the devastating relationship between humans and animals and profile the disappearing natural world with photos of forest fires, near extinct species, and wildlife roaming across urban settlements. The awards feature work from both amateur and professional photographers from around the world. This year's shortlist includes a wide diversity of wildlife photography from A Fragile Planet. Tom Littlewood, Executive Director of Science at the Natural History Museum and member of the judging panel, said in a statement, whether assessing human-animal relationships highlighting the plight of captive species or animals thriving in their environments, the public are in for a difficult decision.